Don't tell me that about Jamie. I'm just freaked out. And it's amazing that happened to her better than that. The truth is, for the haters, they hate that I absolutely love where I work. And I like working, and I work 24/7, and that they can't relate. They'll never have passion for anything like that, like I do, and they're so jealous. You can't buy that. You can't buy being real with it. Either real with it or you ain't, you ain't. You playing tattoo shop. Come on, have a seat, girl. When he's working, I'm going to go get my computer set. Cool. I'm going to go get some of my photos today. Who was Bert? Oh, okay. We did the guy, yeah. Yeah, you need to do all that, and you need to go by that party. Yeah. I need to call the press rep, too. From YouTube? I'm going to show you. It's just too like you play. Yeah, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm computer illiterate. Yeah. I mean, it's just a quick click. And it's done. It'll blow. On my face, you can bring what you do. Go on my face. Okay. We're going to do the French cut there. Man, I think we're in somebody like Louise. Yeah. Well, that happened. You can look it in her face.